Car seats are essential for protecting our precious little ones on the road. But did you know that a clean car seat is just as important as a properly installed one? Over time, crumbs, spills, and germs can accumulate, turning your child's car seat into a breeding ground for bacteria. Regular cleaning is crucial to ensure a healthy and hygienic environment for your little passengers. Think of it this way. Would you want to eat off a dirty plate? Probably not. The same goes for your child's car seat. Just like we wouldn't want to expose ourselves to harmful bacteria, we should strive to provide a clean and safe space for our children. Regular cleaning not only eliminates dirt and grime, but also helps to prevent the spread of germs that can cause illnesses. By taking the time to clean your child's car seat, you're taking a proactive step in protecting their health and well-being. Remember, a clean car seat is a happy car seat, and a happy car seat means a happy and healthy little traveler. Before we start, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more tips on keeping your world clean and safe. For those everyday messes, a quick cleanse is all you need to keep your child's car seat looking and smelling fresh. Grab your trusty vacuum cleaner and a mild cleaning solution to tackle those crumbs and spills. Start by removing any loose items like toys or blankets from the car seat. Attach the upholstery attachment to your vacuum cleaner and thoroughly vacuum the entire car seat, paying close attention to crevices and seams. This will help remove any loose crumbs, dirt, or debris that may be lurking between the fabric fibers. Next, mix a mild cleaning solution using warm water and a gentle soap or baby shampoo. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners, as these can damage the car seat's fabric. Dip a clean cloth into the solution, wring out any excess moisture, and gently wipe down the surfaces of the car seat. Allow the car seat to air dry completely before using it again. This will help prevent the growth of mold and mildew, ensuring a fresh and healthy environment for your little one. Sometimes a quick cleanse just isn't enough to combat those stubborn stains and ground-in dirt. When your child's car seat requires a more thorough cleaning, it's time for a deep dive. Gather your cleaning supplies, including a vacuum cleaner, mild cleaning solution, a soft bristled brush, and a few clean cloths. Begin by removing the car seat from the vehicle, following the manufacturer's instructions. This will give you better access to all the nooks and crannies. Once the car seat is removed, take it outside or to a well-ventilated area for cleaning. Vacuum the car seat thoroughly, using the crevice attachment to reach tight spaces. Next, prepare your cleaning solution using warm water and a mild soap or baby shampoo. Dip the soft bristled brush into the solution and gently scrub the car seat's fabric, working in small sections. For any stubborn stains, apply a small amount of cleaning solution directly to the stain and allow it to sit for a few minutes before scrubbing. Once you've finished scrubbing, use a clean, damp cloth to wipe away any soapy residue. Rinse the cloth frequently to avoid redepositing dirt. The straps and buckles of your child's car seat are constantly being touched and handled, making them prime targets for germs and grime. It's important to give these areas a thorough cleaning to ensure your little one's safety and hygiene. Start by checking the manufacturer's instructions for any specific cleaning recommendations for the straps and buckles. Some car seat manufacturers advise against using harsh chemicals or submerging the straps in water, as this can weaken the material. Using a clean cloth or a soft bristled brush, gently scrub the straps and buckles with warm water and a mild soap or baby shampoo. Pay close attention to the areas where the straps adjust and connect, as these areas tend to accumulate the most dirt and grime. Avoid using bleach or other harsh chemicals on the straps and buckles, as these can weaken the material and compromise the safety of the car seat. Once you've finished cleaning, rinse the straps and buckles thoroughly with clean water and allow them to air dry completely before using the car seat. Before we move on, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Comment below about your favorite tip in the video. Section 5. Beneath the surface, cleaning the vehicle seat. While we often focus on cleaning the car seat itself, it's equally important to clean the vehicle seat underneath. Over time, crumbs, dirt, and spills can seep through the car seat, leaving behind a breeding ground for bacteria and unpleasant odors. Remove the car seat from the vehicle, following the manufacturer's instructions. Once the car seat is out, you'll have a clear view of the vehicle seat underneath. Vacuum the area thoroughly, using the crevice attachment to reach tight spaces and remove any loose debris. Next, inspect the vehicle seat for any stains or spills. If you find any, treat them with a mild cleaning solution appropriate for your vehicle's upholstery. Apply the solution to a clean cloth and gently blot the stain, working from the outside in to prevent it from spreading. Allow the vehicle seat to air dry completely before reinstalling the car seat. This will help prevent the growth of mold and mildew, ensuring a fresh and clean environment for your little passenger. Section 6. Maintaining that fresh feeling, regular upkeep. Congratulations! You've now learned how to give your child's car seat a thorough cleaning. But the key to maintaining a clean and hygienic car seat is regular upkeep. By incorporating a few simple habits into your routine, you can keep your child's car seat looking and smelling fresh between deep cleans. First and foremost, try to address spills and messes as soon as they occur. The longer a stain sits, the harder it will be to remove. Keep a pack of baby wipes or a damp cloth in your car for quick cleanups on the go. Encourage your little one to dispose of trash in a designated container rather than throwing it on the floor of the car. This will help to minimize the amount of debris that ends up in the car seat. Regularly vacuum the car seat, using the crevice attachment to reach tight spaces. This will help to remove any loose crumbs, dirt, or debris that may be lurking between the fabric fibers. Section 7. A little TLC goes a long way. Just like any other item we use regularly, car seats benefit from a little tender, loving care. By taking the time to properly care for your child's car seat, you can extend its lifespan and ensure its continued safety and effectiveness. Regularly inspect the car seat for any signs of wear and tear, such as fraying straps, loose buckles, or cracks in the plastic. If you notice any damage, consult the car seat manufacturer's instructions or contact them directly for guidance on repairs or replacements. Store the car seat in a cool, dry place when not in use. Avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures or direct sunlight, as these can damage the car seat's materials. By following these simple care tips, you can help to keep your child's car seat in tip-top shape for years to come. Section 8. Safety first always. When it comes to our children's safety, there's no room for compromise. While cleaning your child's car seat is important, it's crucial to prioritize safety above all else. Always follow the car seat manufacturer's instructions for installation, use, and cleaning. Never modify the car seat in any way, as this could compromise its structural integrity and put your child at risk. If you have any questions or concerns about the safety of your child's car seat, don't hesitate to contact the manufacturer or a certified car seat technician for guidance. Remember, a clean car seat is important, but a safe car seat is paramount. By prioritizing safety in all aspects of car seat use and maintenance, you can provide your little one with the highest level of protection on the road. Section 9. Creating a healthy haven. A clean car seat is more than just aesthetically pleasing. It's about creating a healthy and hygienic environment for your child. By eliminating dirt, germs, and allergens, you can help to reduce their exposure to potential irritants and illnesses. For children with allergies or sensitivities, a clean car seat is especially important. Dust mites, pet dander, and other allergens can accumulate in the car seat's fabric, triggering allergic reactions and respiratory problems. Regular cleaning helps to remove these allergens, creating a more comfortable and healthy space for your child. Remember, a clean car seat is an investment in your child's health and well-being. By taking the time to clean and maintain their car seat, you're providing them with a clean and healthy environment where they can ride in comfort and safety. Section 10. Happy travels, happy kids. A clean and well-maintained car seat is essential for happy travels and happy kids. When children are comfortable and content in their car seats, car journeys become more enjoyable for everyone. No more fussing over sticky straps or whining about crumbs in their seats. A clean car seat provides a comfortable and inviting space for your little one to relax and enjoy the ride. So, the next time you're cleaning your car, don't forget about your child's car seat. A little effort goes a long way in creating a happy and healthy environment for your precious passengers. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and share this video with other parents. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.